Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 6, which is equal to 36, and we will find the value of x. So let's start solution. We have x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 6, which is equal to 36. So we can write it as x raised to the power 3 and its whole power 3. It is same as x raised to the power 9, and it can be written as x raised to the power 3 and its whole power 2, which is equal to 36. 3 times 9 and 3 2 times 6. So it is same as x raised to the power 9 and x raised to the power 6. So here we have x raised to the power 3 and x raised to the power 3 are same. So let x raised to the power 3 is equal to y. So we will put y in place of x raised to the power 3. So it will become y cube plus y square is equal to 36. And it is also written as y cube plus y square minus 36, which will be equal to 0. Now here we have a cubic equation. So from this cubic equation we will solve it by factorization. So first of all, by testing for y is equal to 0, 0 cubes means 0 and 0 square is also equal to 0 minus 36. It is equal to minus 36, which is not equal to 0. So after y is equal to 0, we will put the value of y, which is 1. So 1 cube means 1 and 1 square is also equal to 1 minus 36. It is also not equal to 0. Now for y is equal to 2. 2 cube means 8 plus 2 squares means 4 minus 36. It is also not equal to 0. Now we will check for y is equal to 3. 3 cubes mean 27 plus 3 squares mean 9 minus 36. So from here 27 plus 9 is 36 and 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. It's mean one of the factor of this equation is 3. And this 36 4 into 9. But here 3 is a factor and 9 is equal to 3 square. So we will split y square because we have equation y cube plus y square minus 36, which is equal to 0. So we will split y square as 4 into 3 square. So it will become y square will be equal to 4y square minus 3y square, because one factor is 4 and the other is 3. So let's start. Y cube minus 3y square plus 4y square minus 36, which is equal to 0. So from first two terms we have y square is common, so we have left y minus 3. And from here we have 4 is common here because 4 and 36 are the factors of 4. So y square minus 34, 9 times 36, so it is equal to 0. Now here we have y square minus 9 and 9 can be written as 3 square. So it will become y square into y minus 3 plus 4, and it can be written as y square minus 9 can be written as 3 square, which is equal to 0. Now it is the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So it will become 4 into y minus 3, y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Now you can see here that we have y minus 3 and y minus 3 is same in both terms. So we will take common y minus 3. Now we have left here y square plus 4 into y plus 3, which is equal to 0. Y minus 3, y square plus, it will become 4y plus 12, which is equal to 0. Now from here we have two cases which are y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. From here we will get the value of y, which is equal to 3, and it is a quadratic equation. So in this case we will apply here discriminant formula, and discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b here, b is 4, okay, a is 1, b is 4 and c is 12. So it will become b squares means 4 square, which is 16, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 12. So 16 minus 4 into 12, 48, and it is equal to minus 32, which is less than 0 and has a negative value, so it's mean it has no real solution. So the value of y is 3, but y is equal to x cube. So we will put the value of y, which is x cube. So it will become x cube is equal to 3. And we have to find the value of x, so we will take cube root on both sides. So cube and cube root will be cancelled out, and from here the value of x is cube root of 3. Now we will check that the value of x satisfy our given equation or not. And our given equation is x raised to the power 9 plus x raised to the power 6, which is equal to 36, and we have to check for the value of x is equal to cube root of 3. So we will put the value here, cube root of 3 and its whole power is 9 plus cube root of 3 and its whole power is 6, which is equal to 36. Cube root can be written as 1 by 3 and its power is 9, and same case here, 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 and its whole power is 6, which is equal to 36. It will become 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 9 and 3 raised to the power 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36. 3 1 times 3, 3 3 times 9, 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6. So from here 3 raised to the power 3 plus 3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 36. 3 3 times 9 and 9 3 times 27 plus 3 3 times 9, which is equal to 36. And from here 27 plus 9 is also equal to 36, which is equal to 36. It's mean the value of x, which is cube root of 3, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.